Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install your Boho braid. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install my Boho braid. It's very easy to do, so let's just go right into this video. So my hair is freshly washed. I already washed my hair, so I'm just going to do the individual braid pattern and just install the hair on it. So this is the individual braid pattern. I have a total of 10 braids here, so I'm just going to start with the installation now. So this is the hair. I have 8 pack of this hair. It comes with a crochet hook, and I'm just going to start with the installation of the hair. But before then, let me show you guys what it looks like. It is, I think each pack has 16 Boho braid on them, or 15. There are about 15 or 16 Boho braid. Each pack has 15 to 16 Boho braid on them. So let me just start with the crocheting of this Boho braid to my hair. I'm just going to pass the crochet hook through my hair and then open up the loop of the Boho braid and then pass it on the crochet hook, close it up, and then pull through my hair. I'm just going to take the ends of the Boho braid and then pass it on the crochet hook, then pull it through the loop and just drag it down. That is pretty much how to do it. It's very easy. Just make sure that you're being gentle and your braids are not too tight so it does not cut your hair. So I'm just going to repeat this process again, and the Boho braid I'm using is a 12-inch Boho braid, and it comes in 8 in a pack, and I use the 8 pack of the Boho braid. I use all the 8 pack, and it's really soft, and I like the Boho braid. I like it, so that is why I'm sharing it with you guys, so that you guys will see. If you've tried this method before, just let me know in the comment section, and how long did you carry it for, because you guys know that, I mean, for me, I did not carry this hair for long. So just a couple of days, not even up to a week that I carried it. Like this crochet Boho braid, I did not just use it this one, so you guys, I did not use it for just this once. After I finish, when I take it down, I had to put it in a wig. I put it in a wig and just keep it, and whenever I feel like, I just throw it on my head and I'm good to go. So I just put it in a wig, and I'm going to show you guys the video of how I did that. So if you're interested, or if you want to know how I did that, please leave your comment in the comment section, and I might probably just post the video after this one. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Just subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to turn on the notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. I'm just going to let you guys watch this.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for
So guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna have to do my makeup, and yes, this is the hair. This is really looking cute. You guys, what do you think about this style, this crochet boa braid? Let me know in the comment section, please. Let me know what you think about this crochet boa braid. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.
Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep